whispers hum through the sleepless nights. We dance on whispers dim. Shadows play on the skyline tall. Concrete waves in a restless sea. Echoes drift from a distant call. Secrets shared between you and me. Midnight whisper through the air, soft and sly like a midnight flare. Hush now, darling, don't you care? Listen close and you'll find me there. Windows frame a starlit view. Flickers dance on a moonlit ride. In the calm we feel something new. Timeless echoes side by side. Street lights paint a dreamy scene. Lost in thoughts we wander through. Every whisper softly keen tells the night of me and you. Midnight whisper through the air, soft and sly like a midnight flare. Hush now, darling, don't you care? Listen close and you'll find me there. Rain is tapping on the window. Fog embraces all around. Inside the house, it's full of warmth. Curled up with my cat I found. Drops are dancing down the glass. Outside world, a blurry past. Moments here, they seem to last. In my home sweet solitude cast. Life outside is but a haze, but in here I find my space. In the quiet of this place I wear a comfort like a lace. Steam is rising from my cup. Neighbors' lights are flicking on. whispers fill the silent room, a melody till break of dawn. Lightning flash, the shadows break, yet the comfort does not shake. In the warmth of home's embrace, every fear begins to fade. Life outside is but a haze, but in here I find my space. In the quiet of this place, I wear comfort like a lace. Life outside is but a haze, but in here I find my space. In the quiet of this place, I wear a comfort like a lace. Words spill out like broken glass. In the silence we let time pass, caught in stormy waves of thought. Together we are all we've got. We can whisper to the stars, words ain't needed to heal our scars. In the hush we find our peace, let the chattering cease.